Hello everyone, this is a review case number A61 and the laptop model Mac Pro, Mac Air M1. So the problem was that the customer splashed some water on the charging ports and the machine was not able to charge, so they sent us to fix the problems. So we after inspect we found that the port was damaged by the water and the controller chips got some problems around the components. Let me show you. Okay, this is the schematic of the MacBook Air M1. After the charging port was shorted and the controller of the type USB-C, one of the capacitor shorted to ground, so this one is not able to charge. We managed to replace the port and the capacitor that is shorted to ground. So now it is done fixing. So customer can able to charge both of the ports. Alright, if you have the same problems, you might send us to Smiley for fix, and we have totally 10 branches. You can contact at any branch which is closer to you, and see you next video. Bye bye.